Hello everyone. Today marks the grand logo launch of Apurva, a celebration like never before. The annual day of St. Savio High School. The very essence of Apurva lies in its name, signifying uniqueness. Apurva means something incredibly brilliant, unlikely anything else. Apurva represents fresh ideas and innovations, breaking new ground. Apurva is a name that signifies a big impact, leaving a mark on history. Apurva, like a captivating story, unfolds into mystery and intrigue. Apurva is something very special and unique. Apurva stands out like a majestic spectacle, capturing everyone's attention. Apurva has a touch of mythical essence like stories of legendary heroes. Apurva brings a ripple of originality, creating waves of uniqueness. Apurva is significant across time with lasting importance. In a nutshell, Apurva is a powerful emotion. So let's live it. So ladies and gentlemen, mark your calendars, spread the word and let the countdown begin. This is one annual day you won't want to miss. So let's create the magic together.
Welcome to Apurva 2024, St. Savio High School's annual day, a celebration like never before.